What if I told you your medicines might stop working? Even a simple infection could turn deadly. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, it's real growing crisis. Antibiotic resistance is something that's spreading silently. And if we don't act now, we could be facing a future where even a minor cut could be fatal. But how did we get here? Why are our strongest medicines failing now? And what can we do to stop this? Let's dive into the topic. Antibiotics are the powerful drugs that kill the bacteria. They have saved millions of the lives since their discovery. But here's a problem. Bacteria are incredibly smart. Every time we use the antibiotics, some bacteria survive. And these survived bacteria adapt, become stronger, and soon the antibiotics will stop working against them. These super strong bacteria are what we call them as superbugs. And the infection caused by them do not respond to our usual medicines. Imagine you spray a cockroach with insecticide. Some will die, but a few will survive and become resistant. Over the time, they inherit this property, making them harder to kill. Same thing happens with the bacteria. Antibiotic resistance is not just a battle. It's happening because of the human mistakes. Here's why. First one, overuse of the antibiotics. Taking the antibiotics whenever it's not necessary in the viral infections such as cold or flu. Second one, misuse of the antibiotics. Not completing the full course of the antibiotics, allowing the bacteria to adapt and survive. Third one, agricultural use. Farmers using the antibiotics in the animals, which spreads the resistant bacteria to the humans through food. Fourth one, self-medication. Taking randomly antibiotics without any prescriptions. Every time we use the antibiotics, we give bacteria another chance to evolve, and they evolve faster. This isn't just a problem for the future, it's happening right now. Simple infections are becoming deadly. What was once treatable with simple pills now requires a weeks of hospitalization. Surgeries are becoming riskier. Without effective antibiotics, simple routine surgeries could lead to life-threatening infections. Cancer treatment and organ transplantation are in danger. Patients undergoing chemotherapy or organ transplantation depend on the antibiotics to prevent the infection. Without them, their survival rate drops dramatically. In 2016, a woman in the US died from an infection resistant to 26 different antibiotics. Doctors had nothing left to treat her. This is a terrifying future we are heading towards. Bacteria have two main mechanisms to become resistant. First one is mutation. Some bacteria randomly develop the changes in the genes, making the antibiotics useless against them. Second one is gene transfer. Bacteria can share the resistant genes with each other, spreading the problem faster than we can find the solutions. Here is a real problem. We are not making enough new antibiotics, and the reason for this is pharmaceutical companies finding them expensive to develop the antibiotics. And on the other side, bacteria can quickly develop the resistance against them. In last 30 years, only a handful of new antibiotics have been developed. Meanwhile, resistant superbugs like methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus and drug-resistant tuberculosis are spreading globally. We are fighting a battle with fewer and fewer weapons. The good news is we can still fight back. And here's what you can do. Only take the antibiotics when prescribed by the doctor. Never take the antibiotics for viral infections such as cold or flu. Always complete the full course of the antibiotic even if you feel better. Spread awareness, educate others about this crisis. The future is in our hands. If we keep misusing the antibiotics, we could be heading towards a world where simple infections become untreatable. But if we act wisely today, we can protect ourselves and the future generations. It's time to take this seriously. Share this video with your friends and family. Help spread awareness. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Unfold and turn on the notification so that you will never miss any updates. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.